Okay, this time up for sale on eBay, Pioneer CS-99As. These are in excellent condition. Up for sale on eBay. The cane, or the lattice grills, also in excellent condition. The other one. Small. Right about there. Small little worn spot on the paper there. Nothing big. Does not affect sound. And again, these are in excellent condition. Kind of top tier. Then again, there's the other lattice grill. Hopefully there's not too much shadow. I have an external light on today for a little better lighting, more even. So yeah, there's the speakers. Again, they're going to be up on eBay. My store is Central Oregon Picker. And my eBay profile is Travis Bendor, as in Bend, Oregon. Alright, again, be testing on the Macintosh. And today we'll have Dire Straits. Strictly rhythm, he doesn't want to make it cry or sing. If any old guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his bass. And Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, setting it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans on swing. Pioneer CS-99A speakers. Be up for sale. This is all shot on an iPhone. I think it's a 6S, so it's kind of an older model, but so hope the audio sounds good. I've been getting decent recordings with it. Yeah.